Hello, everyone. It's Arlene from Arlene's Creations and Arlene's Attic on Poshmark. And I just wanted to show you, I am so exhausted. This is what I've been doing all day cooking. So I'm leaving for Florida early in the morning. And mine and my mother's flight is at like 6:20, so we have to get there really early. So I will be gone for 6 days. So I prepared breakfast, lunch, and dinner for my husband for every single night that I'm away. So for tonight, in the crock pot, I have the corned beef going. This will be done by later tonight. Over here, I have the cabbage, the carrots, and the fingerling potatoes, which all of this was in the pot, and I took it all out and just added some butter and salt and pepper. Then for another meal, he has spare ribs, macaroni and cheese, and corn. This meal here, I bought just one turkey breast and cut it in half because everything that I made one for him to take to work for lunch, and then all his breakfasts. Is that even a word? Breakfasts? I don't know. So anyhow, so you got the spare ribs, the macaroni and cheese, and the corn. Over here is the turkey breast, string beans, double mashed potato, homemade turkey gravy. Over here, you have sausages with pasta, mozzarella cheese, and sauce. I did cheat and buy jarred sauce. I wasn't about to make no 4-hour sauce. This took me since 8 o'clock this morning to do. I'm exhausted. This is mashed potato with beef and broccoli with some nice brown gravy. Over here is just a chicken breast with stuffing and chicken gravy and peas. And then, like I said, there's one of each for him to take to lunch. So I have little stickers, and I will put in the refrigerator, Thursday lunch, Friday lunch, Saturday lunch, and for the according dinners. And then over here, we have on English muffins, we have 3 ham, egg, and cheese on toasted English muffins. And then over here, we have 4 bacon, egg, and cheese on everything bagels. And I do this all the time, but I do it on a daily basis. I don't do all of this all at once. That's my dishwasher going off because I had a million dishes. Thank God they're done. I still got a sink full, and I did some by hand, so I got to put all them away. I'm just exhausted. So anyhow, yeah, so I always, but I do it on a daily basis. So anything I make for dinner, I make double so that he can take for lunch. And then I always make him egg sandwiches, and he just heats them up in the morning for like 20 seconds in the microwave at his job, and there you go. So yeah, so that's all his dinners for the week. He's going to have the corned beef and the cabbage for tonight. Unless he wants something else. I don't know. My mother's picking me up, I think, at like 5:30. He only gets home at 5:30. So he's got plenty of food to choose from. But yeah, so that's been my whole entire day. Besides a few Poshmark orders that I had. Because I literally, in like an hour, I'm going to put my closet on vacation mode. But I did have 3 sales that I had to quick put together and get to the post office. And yeah, so corned beef. I mean, it's very tender. I lowered it because it's been going since like 7 o'clock this morning. But yeah, and then these potatoes are so good. The little fingerlings, I love them with the cabbage and the baby carrots. So yeah, I put extra cheddar cheese on the macaroni and cheese. Some nice spare ribs. So yeah, so I'm exhausted. I got to finish cleaning up, and I still haven't packed. I still have to do laundry, and it's 2:28 p.m. So I have no idea what I'm wearing in Florida. I don't even know what temperature it is there. And I think when I get down there, I'm going to have to buy something for the wedding. That's why we're going for my cousin Ashley's wedding. So, yeah, I'm exhausted. So, at least I know my husband's fed all week. And I don't have to worry about that. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Please hit that notification bell. And Check my closet out. Well, I'm going on vacation. I won't be back till next Tuesday. But you could still scroll through it, see if there's anything you like. Leave me a note. And when I get back, I'll make you a good offer. And yeah, so Poshmark at Arlene's Attic. ARLENESATTIC. All right, everybody. I got some more cleaning up to do here. And let me get done. I'm exhausted. Bye-bye, everybody. Love yous. Take care.